So moving on, we have a brand that is constantly upgrading and reforming the skill set of the Indian workforce. The brand that was founded in 2015 to impact the lives of working professionals by helping them upskill. While they work and has managed to build a seamless platform for the same, welcoming our next speaker from Asia Higher EdTech leader Arjun Mohan, CEO, India, Upgrad. Today, he will be taking us through Upgrad's journey to the top and speak on reinforcing lifelong learning with Upgrad. Mr. Mohan, welcome.
Thanks, Vaibhav. Thank you so much.
Most welcome, and over to you. Really looking ahead for the session. Thank you so much.
Sure. So Vaibhav, have some slides. If someone can project it, will be good.
It is already up.
Okay, perfect. All right. So thank you so much for having me here. Good evening, and I'm going to take next few minutes to explain a bit about what we do in Upgrad and what our marketing philosophy has been in the last few months. Before I go into the details, this is sort of a case study slide. So for a lot of people who have been or who is studying and who wants to see what marketing works, this is a perspective. It is not really the only way to do it. For marketing problems, the best part is that there are hundreds of solutions. Whatever works for you and whatever you make work is finally the right solution. So that part I just want to call out before I start. Before I go into the details, I will speak a bit about Upgrad for some of the uninitiated in the set. I'm sure that thanks to all the big campaigns we are doing, most of you will be aware of Upgrad. But still, let me explain what we do. So we are currently India's largest higher education online platform. We do high quality courses for people who have completed 12 standards. That means that we have lifelong learning solutions for anyone who is looking for a bachelor's program, a master's program, and even a PhD program. And all of this, we do it completely online so that you can do these things without breaking your career. And that is the reason why we are the favorite of the working professionals who are already very busy in their life doing their jobs and at the same time want to upskill and stay one step ahead. So most of our customers are from this working professional lot who are making great things happen in this country and ensuring that our nation is one step ahead. So that's what we do. Now within Upgrad, because of the breadth of solutions we have, it's just not one company. We are multiple companies within it. We have a division or an organization which takes care of students after 12 standard who wants to do degrees online. That is bachelor courses, BBA, BCA, so on and so forth. We have a large working professional division which focuses on mostly high-tech programs, data science, machine learning, MBA programs. We have a large bouquet of online MBAs. And finally, we have a division which focuses on study abroad. That is, we have a solution which makes going abroad and studying very economical for students because we are able to do it at 50% of the cost. And that's because we have a hybrid solution which have an online component also. So that's what we do. Now, the reason why I've been long form talking about all this is that you would have understood how complex our target market is. It's not one TG, it's multiple TG. Now that's a marketer's problem to solve, right? The issue is that you finally have few seconds when you have the full attention of your market or your audience. And in that small time, you have to explain a course or a solution as complex as it. And why is it complex? Because online as such itself is new, right? You're basically going and telling a person that whatever you have been doing for last 12, 15 years, your inherent belief that you need to go to a classroom and study is not any longer true. You can do it all online. So it is a complex product to market, and that's what we have been doing, and that's what I will take you through. Can I go to the next slide, please? So when we started on almost 1.5 years ago, trying to think how we should create awareness for Upgrad as a brand, the first question we asked is, how will we differentiate ourselves in this cluttered land where the TG is being exposed and given so many different messages. How will we ensure that we are heard? So first thing we did was we went and started speaking to our customers, listening to them. What are they really saying? We realized that our customers, if they are taking a certification program or a diploma program or a degree program online, there is a propensity in Indian customers to call a course which is giving them the outcome they want as a degree. It's more of a colloquial way of doing things, right? If this is a useful course, they tend to call it as a degree. This is an insight we carried in. Now, next question is, when do they see a course as useful? They saw a course as useful if there was a life transformational event at the end of it. See, in education in India is life transformation. Accept it or not, most of us go and do these courses, or most of us go to college not because we want to acquire knowledge. It's because we want a better lifestyle. We want a change in job. We want a promotion. We want a better life. And that is the reason why most people go. So the propensity is to call a course a degree if there is a end outcome at the end of it, which could be a better job, which could be a promotion, and so on and so forth. So this is what we picked up. And we said that what we do is we'll reposition the organization Upgrad and call our courses as sirf naam ki nahi, kaam ki degree. Fundamentally, it's a play of words. We're saying that our courses are outcome oriented, and hence they are kaam ki, of some use. And the wordplay is they will help you get a job. So this is what we position the organization as. And when we kept on started saying that these products will make you specialist. Now, why specialist? Because that's what people come to us for. Everyone today want to improve and be a specialist in whatever they are doing. And that's what we understood they come for. And that's what our positioning has been. Can you go to the next slide, please? Yep. So we went out with the first campaign where we went and addressed 100 million working professionals in this country with a very differentiated ad. The reason why we always knew that working professional is a hot TG. A lot of brands are chasing them. And if you don't have something which is very differentiated, something close to getting shocked, they won't notice us. And that's why instead of considering a celebrity, which most brands consider today, we decided to have a ad which was highly differentiated. What I mean is, instead of using a human being as the hero, we used the ass as the hero. I'll show you the ad. Fundamentally, it is around an idea which most of the working professionals are exposed to. Most of them think that they are not able to go ahead in their life because of the office politics which exists there. So we use this concept, and then we had a play on that. Next slide, please. So this was the ad we made. I'll show you the ad and you will know what I'm talking about. Fundamentally, keep in mind that this was targeted at working professional, and we told them through the ad that Upgrad will help you specialize so that you don't need to indulge in office politics to go ahead in your life. Can you click the ad film? I think it's available in the next slide. Just play it out.
Sorry, boss. करियर में आगे बढ़ने के लिए मुझे चाटने की नहीं, सिर्फ स्पेशलाइजेशन की जरूरत है, जो मैं कर रहा हूँ Upgrad से.
Data and management specializations from top universities online. Upgrad, सिर्फ नाम की नहीं, काम की डिग्री. Download the app now.
This is what we build up to. As you can see, the ad has a very differentiated treatment, and I got a lot of feedback in the beginning saying that it is appalling when the person goes and clicks the donkey. But I thought it was taken in a very nice manner, and we got a lot of good feedback, much more than the negative feedback we got. The intention of doing something like this was to get that 5 seconds of attention of the customer, who will then continue watching and find at the end that it's a happy ending. So this was the first awareness campaign. Thankfully, the campaign did quite well. It took our awareness to another level completely. Post this, and we ran it, of course, there was multiple reruns of it. Post this, we continued with the campaign. We kept on reiterating and iterating the fact that this is a calm category. Now, the second approach we took in the brand journey of creating more awareness is more of a piggybacking. So in this campaign, we decided that rather than talking about a degree, let's talk about a degree which most Indians want to take, and that's an MBA. Now, MBA in India, I mean, it's like getting married. You know that there is not much which will happen out of it, but everyone wants to take it. So that's what we did in the next campaign. We kept talking about MBA degrees. And we said that now let's talk about upgrade MBA and do a film around it. We knew that MBA connects, and as a result of which, the idea of calm degree will go with that. Can you go to the next slide? Here again, we use a very old insight, an insight which most of the working professional in the age 25 to 45 are aware of, which is about musical chairs. So we use this idea to connect it to the job market. Can you go to the next slide and show the ad?
बचपन में ये गेम खेला है ना? आज के वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स भी यही गेम खेल रहे हैं, क्योंकि अच्छा जॉब एक, MBAs अनेक। जिसका MBA काम का, जॉब उसका। बाकी सब अपना MBA लेके घूमते रहो।
अपग्रेड ऑनलाइन MBA लेटेस्ट करिकुलम और पर्सनलाइज्ड अटेंशन के साथ वर्ल्ड की टॉप यूनिवर्सिटीज से। upgrad.com।
Yeah, so you can see that the reiteration, but the difference here is we use MBA instead of degrees. This continued on, and we went to the third one, where we used the same idea of specialization, but took the concept to one next step, where we spoke about an outcome which Upgrad was providing, and the outcome was increment in salaries. So we use the same donkey mascot to go ahead, but end message we change. So you can see that in the brand journey, we are going deeper and deeper, assuming that the awareness is higher now and people are connecting to us. And we go to the next slide and show the ad. So you can see the brand visuals here, very bright.
यस जी, कहिए।
मेरा करियर का फ्यूचर कैसा है?
पहले अपने पास्ट के बारे में बताओ।
ग्रेजुएशन के बाद MNC में नौकरी कर रहा हूँ।
बस।
उसके साथ डेटा साइंस में स्पेशलाइजेशन भी कर रहा हूँ अपग्रेड से।
गुड बॉय।
क्या हो रहा है?
अगर स्पेशलाइजेशन राइट है तो फ्यूचर ऐसा ही ब्राइट है।
Data and MBA specializations online. Give an increment of up to 50%. Upgrad. सिर्फ नाम की नहीं, काम की डिग्री।
Yeah, so you can see that here we are talking more details about Upgrad. The person is calling out data science and saying that I'm doing this. And we are finally saying this is the outcome possible. So this I could have never done in the first ad where I was building awareness. But over a period of time, I'm assuming that the audience already know Upgrad. And that's why I'm able to call out something like this. So you can see that slowly we are moving ahead in the brand journey. Can you go ahead? Yeah, so this is a kind of segue we did. So I told you that Upgrad is not one company. There are multiple organizations within it. One of the things is the bachelor degrees. So this was our launch campaign for bachelor degrees. We did this campaign immediately after the MBA campaign. Typically, this is targeting an audience who is younger. This was a little bit of segue and actually impacted our working professional audience, because this ended up bringing the audience customer to the same place where we were bringing our working professional audience also. So this was a learning for me also, that when you are talking about audiences which are close to each other but differentiated in terms of their behavior, you have to completely look at them parallel. Ideally, I should have continued running the MBA campaign parallel to this and not really stopped it and change them and use the different media mix. So here we are speaking about launching of our bachelor program. We decided to take the theme of Corona because we realized that most of the students who completed 12th standard currently are frustrated about the fact that they can't go and start their degree program. And that's the theme we took it here. Can we go ahead? Yep. So these are the visuals. I'll show you the ad. You will understand it. Next slide.
ओए ये कोरोना कब जाएगा?
क्या पता, डिग्री मिलेगी क्या पता, नौकरी मिलेगी क्या पता, बड़े बड़े शहरों में करनी थी पढ़ाई, सपने सारे हो गए हैं लापता।
ओ मेरे टॉपर्स, बड़े शहर जाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि अपग्रेड लाया है बैचलर्स डिग्रीज इंडिया की टॉप यूनिवर्सिटीज से ऑनलाइन इंटर्नशिप और प्लेसमेंट सपोर्ट के साथ। upgrad.com।
You can see that the idea of jingle or using the jingle to tell the story, this is the first time we were using it. I am a big fan of jingles. I think in India, songs and stories make a big impact. And this campaign, this ad in itself was a huge success for us. Our degree business went through the roof after we started this. And we will do approximately 5x numbers compared to what we did in the last quarter. But overall, and this is a call out I'm telling because I know that there are a lot of aspiring marketers here. Overall, this campaign was a problem for us. The issue is we put the CTA finally as upgrad.com. Or in other words, we send this customer to the same place which was built for a working professional audience. That would have been fine. The problem is we did not do a working professional campaign at the same time. As a result of which our entire mix, which was coming on the website, changed. The teams got a little bit confused, and that impacted overall performance for another 2 weeks. Now, this is a learning for me, which we corrected, and it should be a learning for aspiring marketers like you. Even if your audience is all working professional students, whatever it is, please understand that their consumer behavior differs a lot. And if their behavior is different, you need to have them, you need to treat them with separate campaigns. Otherwise, you will end up in problems. Can you go to the next slide? Now coming to our current campaign. So as I told you, it's been 1.5 years where we have embarked on this journey of building upgrad. Now, initially, it was always about awareness. You can see that with every campaign, we have gone deeper and deeper into awareness. Our awareness is quite high now from every perspective. I mean, with bias, without bias, everything, it is pretty high now. So we decided for this IPL to take an approach which will take the brand building to phase 2. And what do I mean by phase 2? Rather than talking about building awareness, I will now talk about the features of upgrad. How is upgrad different? How is it differentiated? And why it should be something you should consider today. And that's the reason why we created this campaign called Fast Forward Your Career. So here again, we used an insight which is very, very relevant for today's working professional. So we are an assisted selling company. So we do approximately 55,000 calls every day. We speak to around 12,000, 13,000 customers every single day. And we listen to this and we mine these calls and we listen to the insight. So one of the insights we heard was this inherent fear within working professional that my batchmate who studied with me will go ahead of me. So we use the same theme here of people who studied in the same college finally ending up in the same place, and one of them finding that the boss who is joining them is actually a batchmate. So we use the theme to bring in the point that you have to invest in yourself to fast forward your career. Otherwise, somebody else will go out there. We didn't end there. Although this is a single film of 30 seconds, we're trying a new approach here where the 30 seconder will be continued with 3 shorties of 15 seconds, where each of the shorty will talk about a feature of Upgrad and why fast forwarding on Upgrad is the best option available today. As you can see, this is phase 2 of my brand building. From awareness, I'm going to creating a urgency to do the purchase. Can you go to the next slide, please? Yep. Can you show the ad? Next slide. Yeah.
अरे शोहिनी,
ओह हाय,
लॉन्ग टाइम. इतनी बिजी हो गई कि कॉलेज के बाद ऐसे सेमिनार्स नहीं मिलेंगे. हाँ
नहीं यार, मैं बस ऑफिस के साथ साथ अपग्रेड का एक ऑनलाइन कोर्स.
ऑनलाइन? कम ऑन.
टाइम पास.
शोहिनी जानते हो?
हाँ, हम तो बैचमेट्स हैं.
Oh, very good. She's joining us.
Nice. Sir, superb choice.
Yes, sir. Excellent choice. She's got great potential.
Absolutely.
इसीलिए she will be your new boss.
Boss.
Fast forward your career with online courses from Upgrad. Top universities, top faculty, top placements. Upgrad.com.
As you can see the call out, these are the USPs we are focusing on: top universities, top faculty, and top placement. This we think is what differentiates us. Can we go to the next slide? Yep. Thank you so much. That was my short story on building Upgrad. Weber, I hope people enjoyed it. And I don't think we have time to take questions, so I'll stop right away. Thanks.
No, unfortunately, we don't have time to take questions, but we thoroughly enjoyed. You should see the back channel chat that that we are doing on your presentation. We loved it, and I think your ads are brilliant. Please give them a raise, because the guys who are thinking about it totally deserve it. Thank you so much, Arjun. It was fabulous.
Thanks, guys.